Hi guys! So today I'm going to be doing a masterpiece challenge. I know that people have already done things similar to this, but I have rules that hopefully will make things interesting. So for each masterpiece, I'm going to have 4 minutes to make it. I'm going to give myself points for different progress in the art. I can earn points for the shape. My guess is this will not be a strong spot for me. I can earn points for color. It has to be fully colored. It can have a little bit of white, but not much. I can earn a point for facial features. I have a feeling that you'll see what I mean for this one. And I can earn a point for shading. I'm not sure that I'll have time to shade, but if I do, it'll be an extra point. Well, let's see how this goes. Okay, my first thing that I'm going to be drawing is the new Enchanted Eagle. Well, let's get started. Okay, so shape. Let's use this blue. Okay, there's our body. No, let's make it smaller so we can get the talons in. And we need fur. Fur. Is that going to be too small for the head? That works. Okay. There. Our head just fits in there. Gotta get our wings. Okay, so now we're getting our talons. Those look way too big. I don't even know what they look like. They look like rubber gloves. That's what they look like. Okay, yellow. Let's fill in the head and the feet. There we go. Blue, blue, blue. There we go. Colored in. Now we gotta make our designs. Oh, okay, 2 minutes, or almost 2 minutes left. There's one design. Fill that one in. We can make another flower. There we go. Imagine if I made this into a masterpiece, then I think everyone would think I did this with my eyes closed. Okay, we got our designs in and we got a minute 40 seconds left, so let's get our facial features in. No, that's too light. Let's just use purple because I don't really want to change these colors because I was working on another art project. Oh, oops, okay. Ah! Okay, let's just speak. A minute left, okay. It looks like he was eating purple jelly. Hi. Let's make it green. There we go. That's so beautiful. I've never seen anything more beautiful in my life. Let's use our air. No, yeah, airbrush is better for shading. Airbrush, shade, shade. Gotta get some. Let's just use green for this, for the feet. And lower neck, that totally makes sense. doesn't it? Okay, what? Okay, I totally could have made this eye better. And timer's done. Okay, let's look on this and give it points. Shape. Okay, that body is okay, and the wings I think are probably the best part. The head's totally off, and the feet are totally off. So I'm gonna give myself 1 point for the shape. For the facial features, well, we got that beak and we got that eye. The eye isn't too bad. The beak, yeah, I don't get any points for that. The color, I can get a point for color because it's fully colored in. And for and I got the designs on there, even though they may not be the most accurate. They're there. Do I get half a point for that one because the designs aren't good, but I got the color, so I'm gonna give myself half a point. So far I have 1.5 points. And then finally shading. That doesn't look like shading. That looks like somebody took dots and put them on a really badly drawn eagle. That's what it looks like. No, this doesn't look like an eagle. It looks like a parrot there. I made a parrot. But no, I don't get any points for those. I need a lot of time to shade, and I really like shading with the airbrush because I think it's easier than block shading with the normal paintbrush. But that's just, and the colors of, again, I was working on a project, and these are the colors I need. Next round, I'll do better. Okay, next I'm going to draw the giraffe. Okay, so he's orange. There we go. There's the head. No, that's too big. I gotta get the whole thing in. He's got kind of this triangle. There, gotta get the neck. And tail. There's one of my legs. The other leg is like that. Okay, so now I have to get some shading in here. So we have to do a darker for, no, that's not the dark one. And there we go. This giraffe is looking pretty good so far, and I have 2 minutes 40 seconds. So let's change the shape of this head a little bit. There, that's more like a triangle. Outline back in. Oh, no, that's the wrong size. And now let's get the facial features in. So we got our white. And then let's put green around this. And then that is the scariest thing. Does that make it any less scary? Not much. Okay. Let's put in a nostril and a little smile there. He's a happy giraffe. Get in our ears. This one is shading. Boom, shading. And this one doesn't. And now we're going to get our pattern in that is purple. Oh no, we got to get his little horns in. What am I thinking? I can't forget the little... There we go. That's good. Now I got to get the pattern. That purple doesn't work at all, but I don't care. Here we go. No, there's none on his head. Shading. There's my shading behind the neck and on the bottom of the body and on the tail. There we go. There's my giraffe. 20 seconds left. What am I going to do to make this better? Maybe fill in my... That might be a better purple. There we go. Purple. So here is my giraffe. Now I have to rate him. His shape isn't that good, I'll give, but it does work. So I'm gonna give myself 2 points for that. I think I deserve 2 points for that superb shape. And then facial features. That eye is very creepy. I'm not going to give myself it on facial features because it's so creepy. The shading I obviously got spot on. No, but I still have it, so I guess I get a point for that. And then color. The color is okay. I got the pattern in there, so this one gets a grand total of 3 points. Even though the results were kind of wacky, this was still so much fun to do, and I know that I'm going to do more challenges in the future. Well, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day and stay awesome.